We're really lucky to hear that someone is so excited about our top-level service. Here's a great 5-star review that keeps us motivated to do even better every single day. Take a look. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would love the chance to show you why we received such amazing reviews. So why wait? Contact us today at the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.